This is the Tierra Suite at the Dos Only Live Aqua Punta Cana. And this room has a private pool. Yes, the room has a pool that is not shared by anyone else. The room is considered to be on the ground floor. It has a lounge bed, a swinging chair, and a table with two chairs. You can access the patio through the bedroom or through the living room doors. The bedroom has a chair and an ottoman, a king size bed, a ceiling fan, and a television, drawers to put your clothes in. It has a shower area that's a little smaller than the other rooms at this resort that I posted on the channel, but still nice just the same. The water closet, I don't need to explain what that is. It has a double sink, two faucets, plenty of toiletries, incense, towels, decent area, no door on the bathroom itself. It has a closet for your clothes that has slippers, robe, flip flops, and a beach bag that is only for use. If you take it home, they will charge you. There is an iron and an ironing board here for those that care for it. And the living room has a television as well. The living room is spacious with a sofa, two chairs, a dining room table with two more chairs, and a mini bar. So let's get you booked.